I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much.
Hey guys, what is up? It's Amy here and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on sustainable and affordable fashion with an emphasis on thrifting, and today's video is going to be another thrift flip. So this is a finished result of today's thrift flip. As you can see, it's a tank top and I'm so happy with how it ended up turning out. This is definitely something I would wear compared to how it was before. It used to have like this choker. So just keep watching to see how I transformed this tank top. Hey guys, welcome to my workstation. This is my sewing desk, but for today's thrift flip I'm going to be redesigning this tank top thing that I got from Goodwill. I really loved the baby blue color. I love the fabric, how it was super flowy. The thing I actually hate about it is this neckline. I liked everything else about it, so I thought I could buy it and then just transform it and make it a lot cuter. I also don't know if I'm going to be keeping this tie detailing. What if I made a matching scrunchie? Maybe something to like tie around your head like this. That would be kind of cute. I'm gonna sit down, draw out a design, kind of see where I'm thinking on transforming this tank top. Okay, so I just got myself a piece of paper and pencil obviously, and I'm just gonna be sketching a design. I just kind of sat down and kind of put the design. So this is what I'm kind of planning on making it look like. Basically, some of the things that I came up with was changing the straps so that they're a little bit thinner and I'm able to have a neckline that's a lot better. I'm planning on just doing a straight neckline because I think that's just more flattering for my body type. And then I'm also deciding on ties on the front, making those a little bit shorter because they're a bit long right now. And I'm also cinching it in so that it fits me a little bit better because it was a little bit big. I am keeping the zipper on the back though because that's going to allow me to like keep the straps so I have to like make anything like stretch. So I'm gonna keep the zipper in the back, but I'm also once again changing the straps. The final thing I'm doing is making a scrunchie with whatever fabric I take off the top of it. I really wanted to make a scrunchie because scrunchies are so easy to make. I just love matching sets. I don't think it's gonna be super hard. Okay, let's get started. Okay, Google, play Ready Set by Cash Doll.
Okay, playing Cash Doll on Spotify.
Once I had my design all sketched out, it was time to actually begin on the thrift flipping. So the first thing I had to do was cut out the collar because I knew that I would not be keeping that. And of course I had to try it on as a necklace. And then the next thing I did was just cut out the tags, and I think there was only one tag that I ended up cutting out. And then I just kind of planned out how exactly I wanted the back to lay down, and it was a little bit challenging, but eventually I think I figured it out. I just kind of sat there just kind of turning it around and seeing exactly how I thought it would lay down best, and then I So this is what I came up with. I chopped off the collar because I didn't really like it, and then I kind of pinned the back down. I didn't cut off the arms yet because I'm not sure how much I'm exactly going to take off, and I just pinned the back down and then I'm going to sew it straight and see what it looks like. It was kind of a little bit challenging because the armpit sides are lower than the actual like top of the back part, so it's going to be kind of curved upwards like this instead of down like most tank tops are, but we're gonna see what it looks like. I just really would not like to like move the zipper at all because it's so easy and it's just there for me. So we're just gonna sew it down and see exactly what it looks like. I'm gonna have to see if I can go find some baby pink thread because this thread here matches perfectly, but if not, white is fine enough because it's light. Okay, so I looked through all of my different threads and stuff and did not find any baby pink thread, so we're just gonna use this white one. I don't know if you can tell my sewing machine is dirty. I didn't see this until today, but last night I actually washed my backpack. As you can see, it's pretty darn clean. But yeah, I washed it for a video and I'm just now seeing that it's really, really messy. Seriously, Google, I always put the pins on the wrong side.
Got you thinking.
I didn't start out very good. It kind of went off the rails at the front there, but come back and fix it later. I'm trying trying on right now, and a couple things that I'm seeing. I actually kind of like the v-neck on this. I think it was the collar that just, the v-neck actually looks kind of cute for this tank top. I have to make this a little bit smaller so that it fits me a little bit better, and then I'm going to continue the straps so that it goes onto the back instead of like the awkward like collar neck kind of situation. I really did not like that. Next, I got to work on the straps, and these are just the original straps from the tank top that I cut off from the back. And what I did was just kind of carve out a rectangle off of the sides of them and then iron it down so that it's flat, and then I cut off the kind of side triangles to create 2 long rectangles. Okay, so I'm now back the next day. It's been like 4 days doing this, and the past 2 days I've done absolutely nothing. But today I'm actually going to finish it, and I know I will because I've just given myself that rule where if I don't finish it today, then I'm not sleeping, and I'm just gonna keep sewing until I finish. And I feel like it should be done within an hour because I've really, Google? Yes. Are you kidding me right now?
Yes, Google, show her what's up.
So I'm just gonna hunker down and actually finish this project. There really isn't much left to do. I just need to do the straps. That's literally all I need to do. Was that even in focus? Jesus. Also, I'm definitely wearing pajamas because... So we also have a change in technique that I'm planning. So in the straps, I kind of want to implement this. So it's this like pearly kind of string thing. I want to implement this on the straps because I was kind of trying to brainstorm ways that I can make the strap kind of fit from the front to the back. So I was thinking that I can kind of use this as an extender. Hey Google. Football player and all that stuff. They're like, what's happening? Just talk to us. She was like, no, I'm fine. It just doesn't work. Google isn't working. So this is what it looks like. Wow, who would have thought just tying it a little tighter would make that look a little bit better. Something about this isn't sitting right with me. I just had a pretty good idea on how to transform this because I just don't like the square look of it. It just looks a little bit weird. So after a lot of contemplation and trying different things, I just decided that this whole halter thing situation is not looking cute, and I'm going to try to just make the front and the back sleeves just fit perfectly. It is going to make the hemline like super high. It's going to be like up here, and I'm going to try to make it fit because otherwise it just is not looking cute. I feel like I'm slowly going insane doing this project because I've been here for like 2 hours now, and every once in a while something will happen to where I'll have to stop the project, like my camera dying, my camera turning off, being called to do something. This is just getting frustrating, but I'm almost done, and I'm just hoping that I can like get this done, import the files to my computer, and then go to sleep. It's currently 12:47 and I honestly just want to go to sleep, but I promised myself I wouldn't do that until I finish this project. That's exactly what we're going to do. I believe in myself. I can do this. So to match the front to the back, what I ended up doing was making these cute little bows. So I made two, one for the left and one for the right. They were pretty easy to make, and you can just look up a bow tutorial and just like really make it super small. So this was just a way to make sure that the front and the back kind of go seamlessly, considering that the length of the straps were a little bit different. So that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, of course, don't forget to subscribe. My goal this year is to get 12,000 subscribers. So if you would subscribe, that would be amazing. We're really close to hitting 2,000, so definitely subscribe to help me reach that milestone. I will also have all my social media linked down below, so you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. On Instagram, I post a lot of like lifestyle, kind of more style pictures, and then on Twitter, I do a lot of like Twitter ranting and retweeting a bunch of things related to politics or like social issues. So if you're into that, definitely go follow me on Twitter. You can also comment down below any other video ideas you have. You can also comment down below any other video ideas you have. I know that some of the ideas that people have commented have turned out to be the most fun videos to make, so definitely if you have anything that you want me to make, comment it down below, especially if it's related to thrifting or like sewing. I'm definitely doing a lot more sewing projects, so definitely help me out by giving me ideas because I need them. But that was it for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.